There it is, the letter no one ever wants to receive. Bold red letters screaming, "Final notice," as if the situation wasn't stressful enough. If you found yourself staring at one of these, I need you to listen very carefully. This is not the end of the road. Foreclosure is a process, not a single event. And like any process, the sooner you understand it, the more control you have over what happens next. So let's break it down, step by step. Foreclosure is what happens when a lender reclaims a home because the homeowner fell behind on payments. Think of it like a chess match, except in this case, if you don't make the right moves in time, the game ends with your home no longer being yours. Jack and Lisa bought their dream home in 2018 thinking it would be theirs forever. But after Lisa lost her job, the mortgage payments started piling up. At first, the bank sent reminders, then warnings. Then finally a formal notice of default. Now Jack and Lisa are in pre-foreclosure, and their next move will determine whether they keep their home or lose it at auction. Foreclosure doesn't happen overnight. It unfolds in 4 acts. Act 1. The missed payment. The clock starts ticking. The lender doesn't panic after one missed payment, but they start watching. By month 2 or 3, expect warning letters and collection calls. Act 2. Notice of default, the first official move. Typically issued after 90+ days of missed payments, this is the lender's way of saying, "We're serious, fix this or we take action." Act 3. Auction sale, the point of no return. If no action is taken, the home is scheduled for public auction. At this stage, it's still possible to stop the sale, but time is running out. Act 4. Eviction, the final curtain call. If the home is sold at auction, the new owner can legally evict you. At this point, the foreclosure is complete, and your home is gone. Jack and Lisa ignored their notice of default, hoping they'd get caught up. By the time they took action, their home was already scheduled for auction. With just 3 weeks left, their options were extremely limited. The true danger of foreclosure isn't just losing your home, it's what happens after. Credit score impact. Expect a 100 to 200 point drop, enough to turn a 700 into a 500 overnight. Future lenders see foreclosure as a red flag, making getting another mortgage much harder. Deficiency judgments, the debt that follows you. If the home sells for less than you owe, you could still be on the hook for the difference. Some states allow lenders to sue you for this remaining balance. Lisa tried to rent a new apartment after foreclosure, but her credit score had dropped so low, she was denied repeatedly. Foreclosure is not the end of the road, it's just a fork in it. You still have options, and the sooner you act, the more choices you have. If you need real answers, I'm here to help. Text me now, 909-801-1976. Email wayago@gmail.com. Don't wait until it's too late, reach out today.